Hi, my dear viewers. I'm Dr. Venkat. I'm the corporate trainer for the Go Online Training. Today, I would like to give you a significant impact of the AI in everybody's life. Once upon a time, 50 years back, it was just like a world where there is no significant. Now, everybody is aware that what exactly an AI, how it is impacting everybody's life. So, firstly, the AI is artificial intelligence, which means that exactly if we make an electronic device which is resemble of a human being, which is a simulator of a human being, which is called as a AI. Very simple example that so driverless cars, chatbots, these are the products of the AI related products. So firstly, day to day we are seeing that the AI is changing the transition, which means that completely, rather than performing the manual tasks, it is performing the automation. So how this agentic AI is becoming very strong, and absolutely already it is being implemented in many of the software companies. Very recently we have heard that there will be IBM computers have been completely replaced the HR roles by the agentic AI products, which means that the AI is changing the world. So in fact, so there will be unmanned vehicle technology is going to come, which means that the people who are working, unskilled people in a routine level, whoever is working, definitely they are going to be replaced by the AI. But do you really think the AI is going to be reduces the jobs of the people? In fact, no. Obviously, a lot of new jobs are going to be create, the roles and responsibilities are going to be create. But in fact, everybody should be, it's a time to be gather the information or becoming a multidisciplinary knowledgeable man. And comes to in AI, there will be different dimensionality of the subjects are going to come. So with the AI is an umbrella in which I can say, natural language processing, machine learning, image processing, vision processing, audio processing, pattern recognition, text summarization. There will be multiple various kind of subdomains are likely to be happen. But see, the problem is here, who are the right target audience? If you wanted to have enormous concepts are involved into here, so who are the target audience? Is there really, are you a potential man to be learn this particular AI? So everybody is having their own potentiality. You need not to be a man where highly mathematically skilled. Probably the nowadays we have plays the people who are from the agriculture background, who are from the BCom background, who are the pharmacy background, and the aged about 35, 45, 50 plus years people. We have trained enough with the AI technologies and with the sufficient skills such as the data engineering is one of the primary role which is going to be done by the data analyst. Then the same people would become a data scientist, the same people will become a business analyst, the same people will have a different skills and designations are assigned at a company level. So obviously I can say that if you want to learn on AI ML, you need not to be scared about it. Just you should have an enthusiasm such a way that everybody is highly eligible to become a man where you can learn the AI technology. Let me slowly go to the next level that obviously AI is becoming a buzzword. Apart from this, there will be Gen AI tools are coming into everybody's life. So the one of the important Gen AI tool is that Chat GPT, Copilot, Gemini, many more technologies which are DeepSeek, all this, these are the models, we can say LLM models, the large language models. This kind of LLM models not only understanding of one particular language, it can be understand worldwide, any programming language, any natural languages they understood, according to the desired question, they would be produce relevant answers. 99.9%, probably 0.5% will be an erroneous, which is a bias, which can be a noisy. Naturally it would be happen because of the data always will be noisy. So we cannot make sure the 100% of the data without the noisy. Because of that particular noisy, the generative tools or maybe prediction related algorithms or maybe AI algorithms or ML algorithms, they have made worldwide with a great innovation and invention not to be given 100% accuracy. They would be given 99.9% of accuracy. 1% is obviously it is a natural biasing, I can say. If you want to learn a particular AI technology, if you want to learn a data science, which is a subset of the AI, so just you should have an enthusiasm. So the subject or maybe a technology is not a difficult, probably the word which are unfamiliar for you, therefore you people are going to be scared with that. Otherwise, you need not to be a highly mathematician, just you should be having a zeal to learn it. So you may believe or not, because of the generative AI tools. So they have made with the AI intellectuals. If you want to become a programmer, or if you want to become a data analyst or a data engineer or data scientist, I can 100% recommend you that you become a data analyst or a data scientist, or maybe AI ML engineer or ML engineer, or computer vision engineer or generative AI engineer. These are the common designations are assigned at a company level at a different companies, but all the roles are more or less the same. The roles and responsibilities, I can give 100% assurance and 100% confidence to you that just you take a call, pull your shoes and try to learn the AI. Definitely your survival at a company level will be forever, it will be a safe. Obviously the industry is also expecting the same. Just I would like to give you a brief about what kind of a curriculum and what kind of strategy we follow being a go online trainings. So the guys, who are the best eligible people to learn this particular AIML? Obviously you can be from any degree. The degree can be a BTech. Within the BTech there can be a mechanical, civil, triple E, ECE, pharmacy. You can be from the any department, even MBA department. MBA is having a business analytics is a right role, and apart from this, BSc computers, BSc agriculture, BSc pharmacy, there will be different BCA, MCA, all you guys are eligible. And apart from this, even if you are a career gap guys, which means that if you have a gap after the graduation, you might be working and engaged with a non-IT jobs, you can also switch to the IT by learning this particular AIML, and your age is not at all matter. As per my knowledge, so far I placed up to 49 years of aged people in the industry with a successful placement of lakhs of salaries. So you need not to worry. So just you should have an enthusiasm to learn this particular technology. You need not to bother which degree you are from, what gap you have. So I'll be training you from the scratch. Your prerequisite is not at all required, but you should have a good laptop and good Wi-Fi is required, because all complete classes would be happen through online. Obviously you should have a internet perfectly, and your practice and your efforts are required as per the classes are progressively going on. Every day you should be able to learn them and try to be practice them. The relevant assignments will be provided, relevant quizzes will be provided, and we have a dedicated LMS, which means that we can organize all the videos, assignments, relevant materials, and everything resources will be organized in a one particular cloud, where you can able to access once your enrollment is done from your end. So probably the course duration will be the 6 months, in which most of the person till 5 months the course is going to be completed successfully. Probably the 1 month is dedicated to do minimum 3 to 4 projects of capstone projects. So we'll be holding your hand to how to exactly the project is going to be complete, the relevant data sets, relevant resources, publicly, privately. We have a dedicated data sets that are going to be passes to you. So if you have really time, you can do plenty of projects. We are ready to give up to 20 projects for you with belonging to the different domains and different data sets. Just you required little effort from your end. Thank you, my dear guys. Thank you.